Music with Mr. Alex.
Oh, hey, didn't notice you there. Well, I was just looking for some of my snowman friends who were supposed to meet me here, but it looks like they're not here yet. Say, do you think that you could help me bring my snowman friends out? Well, it's very simple. We just have to do the snowman dance. Wait, you don't know the snowman dance? Oh, don't worry. It's very easy. It goes just like this.
Snowman, snowman, jump up and down. Snowman, snowman, touch the ground. Snowman, snowman, reach up high. Snowman, snowman, blink your eye. Snowman, snowman, bend your knees. Snowman, snowman, blow in the breeze. Snowman, snowman, climb into bed. Snowman, snowman, rest your head.
Oh, I almost fell asleep there. Thank you for keeping me awake. But would you look? Some of our snowmen friends are joining us now. Maybe if we do it together again, we can get even more of our snowmen friends to join us. Are you ready? Here we go.
Snowman, snowman, jump up and down. Snowman, snowman, touch the ground. Snowman, snowman, reach up high. Snowman, snowman, blink your eye. Snowman, snowman, bend your knees. Snowman, snowman, blow in the breeze. Snowman, snowman, climb into bed. Snowman, snowman, rest your head.
Oh, I almost fell asleep again. Gotta stay awake. But now, there's even more of our snowmen friends joining us. How about we sing it all together as a group one more time? Are you ready? Then, here we go.
Snowman, snowman, jump up and down. Snowman, snowman, touch the ground. Snowman, snowman, reach up high. Snowman, snowman, blink your eye. Snowman, snowman, bend your knees. Snowman, snowman, blow in the breeze. Snowman, snowman, climb into bed. Snowman, snowman, rest your head.
I didn't fall asleep that time. But, uh-oh. It looks like all of our snowman friends fell asleep. Oh, we're gonna need to wake them up. So on the count of 3, can you say, "Wake up, snowman"? Are you ready? Here we go. And 1, and 2, 3. Wake up, snowman! Great job, guys. It looks like they're all awake and ready to play now. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Jim with Coach Chris.
Hey friends, how's it going? My friends in art and music had told me today is a special day because it's snowing outside. So you know what I love to do? I love to make snow angels. And you know what snow angels look like? That's right, they look like jumping jacks. So we're gonna do 10 jumping jacks, pretend like we're in the snow, and make a snow angel. It looks like this. Look, snow angel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. All right, friends, have a great time in the snow. I'll talk to you later.
Kitchen with Miss Sheena and Mr. Pierce.
Hi, and welcome to Kitchen Little. I'm Chef Sheena, and I'm going to teach you how to make a fun, kid-friendly snack. This week's theme is snow. So we're going to use some popcorn to make these fun popcorn balls. They look just like snowballs. salt, and then if you want to add some extra flavor and flair to your popcorn balls, you can add some pretzels, sprinkles, and some chocolate, right? So the first thing you're gonna do is melt your marshmallows on the microwave or on the stove and get them nice and gooey till everything is incorporated. You wanna let that cool just a little bit because you don't wanna touch it if it's too hot. You don't wanna get burned, right? So next, you're gonna take the popcorn and add it to a big bowl. Be sure to sprinkle just a little bit of salt on your popcorn. This is gonna make a big difference to your popcorn balls. Right, so just give that a little shake. Pro tip, use a glove. This will really help. Another pro tip when using the marshmallow is to add oil or spray to your hands. So I'm just gonna spray my hands with some cooking spray and just get that rubbed around just so it just helps with the sticking of the marshmallows. I'm pretty sure you know how messy and sticky that can be. So there's no real measurement. Just take a little popcorn and some melted marshmallow, add it to your bowl, and then we're just going to mix this up. Right, my marshmallow is pretty much cool, so it's easy for me to just use my hands. Then you take a lined sheet pan, and then you'll just break this down into smaller balls and then set it aside to cool. Now, you can also add whatever kind of tickles your fancy ear, some pretzels and some sprinkles for some color, and chocolate, because chocolate, popcorn, and salt go together very nicely. I'm gonna add just a little more marshmallow and mix this up. And just like that, you've got some yummy